Hey guys, welcome to our channel Cyberkapoor. So guys, today I will tell you how to download your edit video in Mp4 format in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm requesting you to watch carefully, don't skip any step and follow all the steps. So without wasting time, let's start. So firstly, open your Adobe Premiere Pro and see guys, this is my edit video which I want to download in Mp4 format. So let's start. So firstly, edit your old video and after that go to the file, see file, click on the file and click on the export and then go to the media. It's also have a shortcut key, Control plus M. You also use it, or this is the second step. And see guys, here is a format and click here and click on H.264. click here and click on the export. See guys, the video is exporting in Mp4 format. It will take 4 to 5 minutes. And so guys, your video is edited now, and let's see our file. See guys, this is a file which I edit in Adobe Premiere Pro, and this video is in now Mp4. So guys, congratulations, you have done it. If you like our video, then please like, subscribe and share, and also share your love for this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Your Cyberkapoor.